Earth's structure is made up of two types of layers. Compositional layers made up of 3 layers: crust, mantle, and core. And mechanical layers made up of 5 layers: lithosphere, asthenosphere, known as upper mantle, mesosphere, known as lower mantle. Then we have outer core and inner core. The first compositional layer we're going to discuss is the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust is the thinnest of all compositional layers. The crust is 5 to 10 kilometers deep, and the state of matter is a solid. The average temperature is -57 Celsius up to 400 degrees Celsius. And the crust is made out of calcium and sodium. An interesting fact about the Earth's crust is that it is actually made up of 2 types of crust: the oceanic crust and the continental crust. The next compositional layer we're going to talk about is the mantle. The mantle is 2,900 kilometers deep. The state of matter is a solid. The average temperature is 1,000 degrees Celsius. The mantle is made up of oxygen, silicon, magnesium, and iron, then nickel. A fun fact about the Earth's mantle is that it makes up 85% of the Earth's volume. The third and last compositional layer is the core. The core is 1,200 kilometers deep. The state of matter is solid and a liquid. The temperatures ranges from 800 degrees Celsius up to 10,000 degrees Celsius. The core is made up of iron and nickel. A fun fact about the Earth's core is that it is so big it's almost the size of the moon. Now we're moving on to the mechanical layers. The first mechanical layer is the lithosphere. Its depth ranges from 10 to 200 kilometers deep. The state of matter is a solid, and the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius up to 500 degrees Celsius. It's made of oxygen, sodium, magnesium, iron, and nickel. A fun fact about the lithosphere is that diamonds are created at the base of the lithosphere. The next mechanical layer we're going to talk about is the asthenosphere, which is also known as the upper mantle. Its depth ranges from 100 through 700 kilometers deep. The state of matter is a solid, and the temperature is 500 up to 900 degrees Celsius. A fun fact about the asthenosphere is that Earth is the only planet with an asthenosphere. Next is the mesosphere, which is also known as the lower mantle. Its depth ranges from 700 through 2,900 kilometers deep. The state of matter is a solid, and the temperature is 4,000 degrees Celsius. It's made out of dense rock. The next layer is the outer core. The depth ranges from 2,900 to 5,200 kilometers deep. The state of matter is a liquid, and the temperature is 6,400 degrees Celsius, and it's made of iron and nickel. The final mechanical layer is the inner core. The depth ranges from 5,200 to 6,400 kilometers deep. The state of matter is a solid, and the temperature is 8,000 to 10,000 degrees Celsius, and it's made of iron and nickel. Thank you for watching my presentation on the Earth's layers. I've been your host, Cynthia Sanchez. Now enjoy these outtakes. The depth ranges from 2,900. The depth ranges from 29,000. An interesting fact about the Earth's crust that it is the Earth's structure consists of 2 layers. The state of matter is a solid, and the average range is -Celsius. The state of what it's made of is calcium and sodium. About the Earth's crust is that what? It's made out of plastic.